Have you ever written your own functions in Python and found out that your function is not giving you the value you want? Or when you're making a closure, the function is not remembering the correct value of the variable? Well, that's why I'm here. You see, this is a common problem almost a Python beginner or a Python pro faces. And it's all based on a concept called late binding. So, to clarify the doubt, I'm here today to make that more simple for all of us. So, let's get straight into the video. Let's take a moment to observe a piece of code, which starts with funcs is equal to square bracket. For I in range 3, put the colon, funcs.append lambda, but remove the plus one over here. And for f in funcs, print f. Now take a moment to look at this. We create 3 functions inside a loop, and each function returns I. So normally you would expect 0, 1, 2 as for I in range. So the first is 0, 1, 2. So these are the 3 values of I, and then lambda is to I. So you put these values inside funcs, and for f in funcs, print f. So you should get 0, 1, 2. But if I run the code, something peculiar arises. We get 2, 2, 2. Most beginners imagine that when this line runs, lambda is to I, the value of I is copied into the function, which over here would be 0, 1 and 2. So we're all thinking 0 goes into funcs, 1 goes into funcs, and 2 goes into funcs. But this is not what Python actually does. It does something different. Let's apply that to this example. There is exactly one variable named I. But the thing is, each lambda does not get its own copy of I. Each lambda says, when I run, look up the current value of I. Now think about the time when the functions are called. They are called after the loop finishes. So by that time the loop is ended, the final value of I is 2. So therefore the lambda will ask, what is I right now and what is the final value of I? And Python will give the answer as 2, and there's our aha moment. So we just put 2 in the list. But how can we fix the code? So let's change the line a bit. Funcs.append lambda I is equal to I colon I. This line looks very strange, but here's what it does. It creates a new local variable named I. And this one changes every time the value of I changes. So if I run the code, now it gives us 0, 1, 2. So now the function does not have to look outside because each function will get its own value. So now that you know the history and science behind why Python always remembers the wrong value in your functions, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button for more videos like this.